What's up, nerds and virgins, it's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Clay Nation and the updated Clay paper, and I'll be letting you know why I'm even more bullish on Clay Nation than ever. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not miss a single CNFT video, and make sure you follow me on Twitter as well at APE Crypto YT, and as well as follow my own project Nerds CNFT. So Clay Nation, the third biggest project on Cardano and arguably the most adored project on Cardano. Huge volume, huge floor prices, huge all-time high sales, and a huge transaction volume. This project is absolutely huge. Not only absolutely huge, also incredibly creative and incredibly unique. Clay Nation really is a blue chip project with huge potential, and they have massive updates in their Clay paper. So I covered the version 1 of the Clay paper where they announced a couple briefings about their Clayverse and 3D characters, but they've recently had some updates. So let's dive into this and let's see what it means for Clay Nation and good Charlotte Clay holders. So 3D avatars. So if you watched my last video on the Clay paper, you'd know that Clay Nation are coming out with 3D avatars, and that they will be absolutely free for all Clay Nation holders. They'll be able to download their matching full 3D body, which will be game ready and fully compatible with AR and VR functionality. This was originally set to come out in February, like I said in my last video, but due to significant improvements to the models, it will be moved to March, which is next month, which is incredibly exciting. This will include a website interface where you can connect your wallet, where you can see your 2D Clay model turn into a 3D Clay model. And you'll be able to see this with either your NAMI wallet or your CC wallet with the use of smart contracts. So this is really cool because you'll be able to see what your Clay Nation NFT looks like as a 3D avatar, which you'll be using in game. I'll be very interested to see. So as I said before, this would be compatible with VR and AR, and it'll be a part of the Clayverse, aka a metaverse made of clay, where you can hang out and explore virtual themed environments built and molded by its population, you, as in the Clay Nation community. This will be eventually public, but the first people to inhabit the Clayverse will be Clay Nation holders and Clay Nation Good Charlotte holders. They'll be able to populate and test the areas within the Clayverse, the village, and the underworld. But eventually, they'll have virtual events open to everyone where we can all dance, listen to music, meditate, and educate each other through a guest pass, which is awesome for adoption because it's capped if it's just NFT holders. The Clay Nation team are also looking at exploring interoperability, which is also really cool. And they'll also be looking at property sales, which I'm very excited for. So, after the successful delivery of Clay Nation 3D avatars, pitches, these properties here, will go on sale, with 30% of the total pitches being reserved for Clay Nation and Good Charlotte holders for a limited period. And then whatever isn't taken will be sold to the general public. They'll vary in size, shape and distribution, and they'll be in 3 varieties: a tent, a forest lodge and a treehouse, which you saw below. These will be accommodation, and they can be fully replaced by plot owners in the future. It's literally your homes in the Clayverse. They'll also be coming out with their own token, which I'm really excited about, in Clay. It will be the main utility token of Clay Nation, and it will be initially a governance token, where holders can exercise voting rights in key decisions within the Clay ecosystem. And this is expected to come out in May, which is just 3 months away. If you are into Pavia and you've been following my videos, you'd see that Pavia have done this, and they've done it with their own token with the ticker Pavia, and it got airdropped to holders of Pavia, and since then it has gone up in value, and it's just made investing in Pavia even more profitable. The Pavia token went up to 0.25 ADA in value, pretty much 10xing, or maybe even more, I don't know, but it was very profitable. And I could see the same with Clay. And pretty much all you have to do, hold Clay Nation and Good Charlotte NFTs, as holders will be claimable by respective NFT holders. And the amount determined will be the number of Clay Nation and Clay Nation Good Charlotte NFTs owned, and the period of time held since the last claim period. Rewards will be calculated, summing up all accumulated rewards for each eligible NFT. 20% of supply will go to this, 10% will go to staking, 20% will go to land sale bonuses, utility and liquidity, 18% will go to the team, and 32% will be going to development in terms of marketing, infrastructure and hiring, which I'd say are pretty good and pretty fair tokenomics. So some key takeaways that I really like about this is by holding a Clay Nation NFT, you're pretty much preserved property, i.e. in the pictures, which in my opinion will most likely be a very profitable investment given the history of Clay Nation mints absolutely exploding, and I believe this will be no exception, and this is almost guaranteed if you hold these NFTs. I also love the idea of the Clay token and with holders being rewarded in this, and I do believe if this is successful, the Clay token can actually go up in value, which is definitely good for holders. I also like the fact that this token gives holders voting rights through governance, so that is cool as well. No surprise here with the Clay paper version 2, I'm really impressed, and Clay Nation just continue to kill everything they touch, and I cannot wait for the Clayverse. I do believe this will be very successful, and I do believe this will cause the price of Clay Nation and Clay Nation Good Charlotte NFTs to absolutely skyrocket in price, and I cannot wait to see this, and I cannot wait to see all the sneak peeks, all the developments, and yeah, I'm very bullish on Clay Nation as a whole, as I've always been, and I really do think this is a blue chip, and I believe this is just destined to soar in value. Everything within the Clay ecosystem. So anyway guys, what do you think of the Clayverse? And what do you think of this new version of the Clay paper? Are you as bullish on Clay Nation as I am? And if you are, let me know in the comment section below. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. My name is APE Crypto, the leader of nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.